Hi guys, today we are learning how to fix Crunchyroll videos not playing on low Wi-Fi. After unlocking your phone, swipe down the control panel. Now check your internet connection and make sure everything is working fine. If your network is weak or unstable, Crunchyroll videos may not play properly. This step helps you understand if the issue is from your connection. Now turn your Wi-Fi or mobile data off and then on again. This refreshes your network connection and removes temporary glitches. Next, open the App Store. Tap on the search bar at the bottom right side of the screen. Now search for Crunchyroll and open the app page. This will take you to the app details section. Now check if an update option is available. If you see it, tap on Update immediately. Updating the app fixes many playback issues and improves performance on low Wi-Fi. Wait for the update to complete. If the issue is still not fixed, restart your phone completely. This clears background bugs and refreshes system performance. After restarting, open Crunchyroll again and try playing the video. And that's how you can easily fix Crunchyroll videos not playing on low Wi-Fi step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.